Think you can do cool stuff with a regular pen? Then you've obviously never used a 3D one. Yep, this thing can do some amazing stuff. You can create pretty much anything. Just takes a little bit of creativity and a good amount of patience. Then it's all fun and games. Alright people, I'm going in! This place looks just like the pictures. What should I do first then? Ugh, I hate watching the news.
Hold it!
Me? Okay. What's going on?
Just this thief running rampant through the city. Watch out for your belongings. This guy can jump over anything. Locked windows are his specialty. One passerby caught him and chased him down the street. But sadly, he is still at large. Call the police with any info. Your home is in danger!
Yikes. What a time to leave home, huh? I can't leave for my vacation. My jewelry is everywhere. So is my money. Unless… Good thing I have a plan in place. I'll be back. Phew. What a trip. But before I unpack, let's see what's been going on around here. The burglar! Just look at the nerve of this guy.
It's nice here. Ooh. Jewelry box? What? Nothing but a bobby pin. What a waste. Where's all the good stuff around here? Still nothing. It makes no sense. Think! The trash? No way. The cops! I gotta get out of here! Oh no!
Well, that worked like a charm. And all it took was a little ball. Check it out, folks. Are you impressed? Instead of the obvious spots, hide your jewels in the less obvious places. No one would ever look in here. Which is why it's the perfect hiding spot. Use a cardboard cutout like this. And carve out a circle in the middle. Use hot glue randomly to hold old wrappers and other trash. Just don't let any cardboard show through. Keep going. And once it's totally covered, you've got yourself a hiding spot.
It's been a slow day so far.
Ahem! I'm here for cut and style.
Oh yes! I'm happy to help you. Please take a seat over here.
Thank you. I will.
How's the weather outside? Is it still hot? Okay, now how can I help you today?
I just need a little off the ends. Remove the split ends and lift it up a bit.
Of course. I can definitely do that for you. I'll just need to adjust your chair. A little more. Just some more. A bit more. Alright, I'm ready to get started. You have beautiful hair. I can tell you take good care of it. I seem to have encountered a snarl.
What's going on back there? Why did you stop?
No worries. Don't worry at all. Everything is under control. Oh my gosh. The dome totally broke in half!
What's with that look on your face?
Oh, it's nothing. Just a little gas. What am I gonna do? That was my best comb! Wait! Of course! My trusty 3D pen! That'll fix my problem. I've got a picture of a comb, so now I just need to trace it. I'll just fill it in with my favorite pink 3D ink. Okay, this is working well so far. There we go. The front half of the comb. And now to start with the handle. I'll use this pretty light green. It's such a pretty color. I don't get to use it that much. And since I'm making a new comb, I might as well make it prettier too. When I'm done with this part, I'll make some flowers too. Okay, almost done. And voila! A new comb. Oh, she fell asleep. Guess I better hurry up and finish. Back to combing her hair.
Oh, sorry. I must have dozed off there for a moment. How people drink lemonade that isn't fresh squeezed is beyond me. Ugh, I'm so bored. Maybe I should go out. But that means I need shoes. Very well then. Yoo-hoo!
Yes, Ava?
I need shoes. It's not that hard.
I picked out the shiniest pair!
No!
Aw, okay.
Ugh.
Fiery red?
Nope.
Sandals? What about these sneaks?
No! Shoes can be a tricky accessory. At least I like my top half.
Okay, Ava. This is the last pair you have.
Come on! It's not even raining.
Please don't fire me!
Just get out!
I've gotta figure this out! Can I make my own shoes? Oh boy! I'm losing my mind! Would she wear these? That's all I have left! Unless… That's a very nice planter! I've got it! Use a 3D pen to fill in the gaps. Keep going until you reach your desired shape. One shoe sole coming up! Now get a paper bowl like this and cut it in half. Use the pen to glue it down. These bars will hold it there. Keep going! And once you're all done, pull the paper piece out. Use a ribbon to bring the bars together. Tie it in a fancy little bow. Cute! She's gonna love these! Oh, Ava! I found you the perfect pair! You like?
Seriously?
Dead serious.
Really?
Oh god, please like them! I can't lose my job over this!
You sure?
My life depends on this moment!
Take a chill pill. I'll wear them.
Phew!
They're actually pretty cute. Hopefully they're my size. Nice! Plus, they're one of a kind. Better show them off on the gram. The mess? Must I do everything around here? Perfect. Liam! Snacks ready! I know oranges are your favorite. No. Not before we wash our hands. You know the rules. They're clean, okay? Hey! Hands, sink. Fine. This is ridiculous. But if she wants clean hands, fine. I'm using lots of soap, Mom. Whoa! This thing sure is slippery. Hey! I can't get a good grip on it. No! Just forget it. I'll clean. See? I'm just so hungry. Oh, stay right there. Time to tinkle. Whoa! Oh no! Liam! Huh? What did I do now? I nearly fell on my head. The soap! What's it doing down here? It's like it grew legs or something. Come on, stay up there. Wait a minute. I think I have an idea. A 3D pen can help keep your soap in one place. See all these squiggles? They'll all hold onto the soap for ya. Drawing them right onto the soap makes this thing the perfect shape. But we're not done yet. Use the pen to color in this illustration. We chose a unicorn. Use different colors to make it more dynamic. Simply release the color gel with back and forth motions. And voila! A unicorn! Check out this adorable soap dish. Put it in. And if it's nice and snug, nicely done. I'm keeping my eyes on you.